Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to do some unboxing on a new tool I saw the other day. It's basically a faster way to do wire loom, which I hate wire loom. It's a necessity, but I hate it. And somebody invented a tool for that. And I ordered it on Amazon and it came today and I can't wait to try it. All right, got delivered to me. Looks pretty interesting. Let's see what we got. Apparently these are all for different size wire loom. I did see it used on YouTube. There's an audio guide that I watched doing it because I said there has got to be an easier way to do wire loom. And turns out there is. So let's give these things a shot, all the way down to a small size. I have some wire loom here. Let's see if this would be the right size for that. It slips on there, I understand. It just slips in. So yeah, I do believe this is the right size for this one. Okay, let's get some wire, give it a shot. So basically for this first test, I'm just going to use just a regular old foam cord. Let's see what we have. So you're supposed to turn this and put the wire in there. Okay, now I got that in there. Then I take the loom and slip it in there. All right, so I say if I just pull it, well, didn't work the first time. Let's give it another try. Yeah, put it in, turn this, put the wire loom on. Sure that goes in there, and okay, I see. It was my fault. I was holding it. Got to really hold it down there. I had it turned up a little bit too much. Wow, that worked. That was great. But of course, this is just a foam cord here, so let's put it in some real world conditions. Well, here's a real world test. I want to redo the wires back here. So I took the loom off, but I wanted to see how it works. So let's see. Normally I would tighten these wires up together. Let me see if I can just put all three of these in here. Turn that. Okay, I was able to do that. Now, let's try putting the loom on. Take some loom. We'll stick it on there. Get it started. I'm actually going to push it up there. But oh, it popped off. Okay. Let's do it again. Slip it on. I'll hold it there. Wow. Just put it right in there. I'd feed that up to there. Up to where I want it to go. Keep pushing it. Wow, that is amazing. Yep. Wire is completely loomed. And when I want to be done, I just pop this off. Turn this to where the wires are. Take them all back out. All right, so there you have it. Anybody who's ever used wire loom, no matter what it's for, You know, it's a necessity, but it is super hard to use. I've tried screwdrivers, I've tried the wrench trick, I've tried all kinds of things that didn't really work well. And man, this is just a lifesaver. This is a game changer. Yeah, so it actually comes with all different sizes. That's some big wire loom. Unfortunately, all I have is the small wire loom right now. I'm gonna have to go and get some more. But yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. I will put the link down there. I paid $30 for these, I think $29.99 on Amazon. Got them in a day. Once I saw them, I just had to have them. Actually, I wish I had not done the job on the Kenworth that I just did until I got them, because it would have went a whole lot faster. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you soon.